How to export metadata with separated audio files. First of all, open your web browser and go to the official website by typing Lalal.ai in the address bar. Log into your account using your credentials or sign up if you don't have on it. Next, upload the audio or video file you want to process. Choose the stem separation option that best fits your needs, such as vocal and instrumental, or go for full stem separation like drums, bass, piano, and more. Once the file is uploaded and processed, you will see the individual audio stems listed. Before downloading, look for the metadata export option available in the download section or settings panel. Now click on the option to export metadata. Lalal.ai automatically generates metadata like track name, file type, processing date, and instrument levels. This data is backed with the separated files, making it easier to organize and integrate them into your music library, DAW, or collaborative projects. Download both the audio stems and metadata file, usually in formats like JSON, XML, or TXT, depending on the use case. And that's it. Now you know how to export metadata with separated audio files. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more audio tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.